Okay, students, as you have seen in the activity, कि जो plasmolysis होता है, it occurs only in living cells. How do we find out living cells में plasmolysis होता है? I told you earlier, if we take the small peel and put it in boiling water, it will kill the cells. और हम सारे वो टेस्ट जो हमने repeat किए, यानी कि we'll put a drop of concentrated salt solution over that peel which is boiled in water and observe it under the microscope, there will be no plasmolysis occurring because plasmolysis jo hai, it occurs only in living cells. It will not occur in dead cells. Ab dekhiye, this is the picture what we have seen in the activity. कि this in the cells, living cells, plasmolysis has occurred. अब plasmolysis क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि जब हमने इस particular cell को of royal leaf, we have kept it in salt solution, the amount of water inside the cell was more when compared to the amount of water present in the salt solution, because salt solution is a concentrated salt solution. The amount of water is less there when compared to the amount of water which is inside the cell. So what will happen? The cell will lose water by the process of exosmosis and will move out of the water. और जब वो water move करेगा to the surroundings, the cell contents, that is protoplasm, will shrink and move away from the cell wall. ये cell wall है, जैसे हम लोगों ने activity में भी देखा है. Now, the question arises. Now we have come to know two facts, that plasmolysis is occurring due to movement of water out of the cell. That is where the shrinking of content is happening. And we have also come to know that plasmolysis occurs only in living cells. Now, can this process be reversed? Yes, it can be reversed. You guessed it right. अगर हम एक plasmolyzed cell को वापस fresh water में रख देते हैं, then the amount of water, concentration of water in the surrounding medium is more when compared to the water inside the cell. So the water will move from the surroundings into the cell, right? By the process of endosmosis, and these contents will come back again to their original position and swelling of the cell will occur. And that process is known as deplasmolysis. You अब देखें यहाँ ध्यान से, this is a plasmolysed cells. हुआ क्या इसमें? The water moved out because of the process of osmosis, because the amount of water inside the cell was at higher concentration when compared to the salt solution which had lower water concentration. So the water moves out of the cell, and that is called as plasmolysis, and it occurs in living cells. When we keep such a cell in fresh water instead of salt water, when we keep such a cell in fresh water, now what will happen? Fresh water के कारण क्या है? Fresh water में water की concentration is more when outside when compared to the cell, the deplasmolysed cell. So the reverse process, that is the movement of water, will occur from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration, that is inside the cell. The water will move in and the contents will gain back their original position by the process of endosmosis, और इस process को हम कहते हैं deplasmolysis. So you have understood what is plasmolysis and you have understood what is deplasmolysis, and it occurs only in living cell. It does not occur in dead cells.